Hello, Transformer. Welcome. I'm truly excited that you've chosen to be a part of this program, the Process Improvement Program in Manufacturing. It's such a remarkable time to build competence in process improvement, or what some call continuous improvement, operations transformation, operations excellence, or specifically manufacturing excellence. It's remarkable because of the global shift happening today, post-pandemic. We have seen record number increases in cost of living because of the disruptions in supply chain, wars in critical regions of the world, and of course, the great resignation that is happening. As a result of all these events and more, consumer choices and preferences are changing rapidly. Wow. This is putting a lot of pressure on businesses to redesign and reimagine their business processes to remain competitive. In other words, these businesses have to innovate or die. This is the gap this program is designed to close. It will equip operation managers like you with the necessary tools, techniques, and frameworks to drive down waste and maximize value. You will learn the fundamentals of transformation and become the engine for sustained growth that your organization so desperately needs. The program is designed to meet you at your current level and take you to mastery level. So that's taking you from zero to hero. If you are just starting your journey in operations within manufacturing, I recommend that you follow the modules sequentially, starting from manufacturing fundamentals. This will give you the much needed context to follow along every step of the way. The modules are grouped into three main phases. So we have the foundation phase, we have the main structure phase, and the finishing phase. Now the foundation phase includes module 1 to 5 and covers areas such as manufacturing fundamentals, business readiness, basic accounting, basic statistics, and ends with team basics. The main structure modules includes module 6 through 9 and covers areas such as process improvement tools and techniques, Lean and Six Sigma, Microsoft Excel, storytelling with data using PowerPoint. And the final phase, which is the finishing modules or the finishing phase, includes module 10 to 13 and covers areas such as project management, flow charting, emerging technology and trends, and ends with case studies of improvement projects. Wow, this program is packed. If you are more experienced and have specific areas that you will need to skill up in, please feel free to start the modules from those particular areas and go around, as you wish. Whatever route you choose, all I want is for you to get the most value as early as possible in the program. Finally, because this program is self-paced, I recommend you find ways to put these skills and knowledge to test as you learn. Feel free to stop, your lessons, practice them and come back to continue learning. To help with this personal evaluation and reflection, I've included a quiz or a project at the end of every module. Right, these quizzes and projects are ungraded, and so you can repeat them as you wish until you gain mastery. Mastery is gotten from practice, from doing. Also, to continuously help with improving the quality of this course and the experience for every learner, I've included an evaluation form at the end of each module. Please feel free to give your feedback. This evaluation is anonymous, And then finally, we have a project capstone that you'll be required to complete to end the program. Without further delay, let's get started on our journey to transformation. Wow, I can't wait to see you on the other side of this program. I'm rooting for you. Cheers to your transformation. I wish you all the best. Thank you.